In this video, we take another example of a molecule which is symmetrical and contains both type of stereocenter, meaning double bond which can show geometrical isomerism as well as asymmetric carbon which can show optical isomerism. So the question is, find total number of isomers of this. Now again, before we refer to the solution, one thing which I want to say over here are few things. As we have seen that in this current form, when you draw a molecule like this, in the current form, it has a element of symmetry. We can see a plane of symmetry over here, right? However, if you make the side substituent from cis position to trans position, the molecule becomes asymmetric, right? Because in any case, this cannot have a reflection of a trans, right? Which means when the side geometrical configurations are in opposite, one is Z and second is E, then the central carbon is a chiral carbon. If they are same, either trans or cis, then the central carbon is not a chiral carbon. So which means this central carbon will be a pro-chiral carbon as per the definition. So what do we do? So this can be assigned Z or E, cis or trans, and this can be Z or E. This star carbon can be assigned R and S. So clearly, let us write the mathematical possibilities. So we have Z, 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 Z. Now this is a very systematic way to write down systematically all the possibilities. Just like we draw the truth table with true, false, we apply the same concept so that we don't have to think about the possibilities and we don't miss any. And the central would be RS, RS, RS and RS, right? So these are the 8 theoretical possibilities. But that is a mathematical possibilities. Now we have to apply IUPAC rule over it. So one is the because the molecule is symmetric, left to right or right to left, both sides the numbering would be same and hence IUPAC name would be same. So clearly we can say that ZRE and ERZ are not two different things. So we can cut one possibility from there. Also ZSE and ESZ, one possibility can be cut. But more possibilities are duplicated. For example, if you can see the first two, right? So if it is Z and Z, then center is not asymmetric carbon. Therefore, R and S will have no significance. So it will just be a single molecule. Also, when the side are E and E, then the central carbon cannot be qualified as R and S. So we just have to count only one possibility. So total possibility will be 1, 2, 3 and 4. So it will be 4. Formula for this is 2 raised to power n minus 1. So when you have a molecule which is symmetrical and outer ones are geometrical center and the central one is optical, you can use the direct formula 2 raised to power n minus 1. In this case 2 raised to power 3 minus 1, which is equal to 4. So it's a simple example where you can apply permutation combination principles to find total number of stereoisomers for a molecule in organic chemistry.